Hi everyone and welcome to Fritz Guitars. Today we're working on a slotted headstock for a custom guitar, and what I'm getting ready to do are drill the holes for the tuners. I've got some high-end Waverly 3 on a plate tuners that are going to go on the sides of this headstock on both sides, and you get one chance to do this right. So I want to tell you a little bit about the order with which I'm going to do this. This is a slotted headstock from a guitar manufacturer, and one of the things I want to point out, the holes in this go all the way through the side rail here, all the way into the meat of the center of the headstock. One of the problems you've got when you use a twist drill, which is what this is you get blowout on the other side as you come through the wood. I think you've all seen that. When you drill through a piece of wood, when you come through the other side, the fibers want to split open. So you need a backer board. So instead of doing a backer board here, what I'm going to do is wait and route these slots out later. I'm going to drill the holes first. That way I don't have to worry about any blowout that may occur on the other side of this rail. So some of the tool manufacturers sell tools for making these holes in exactly the right alignment. I just made my own, and I made it out of just high-end plywood. This is Baltic birch plywood. I used my drill press, and it looks wet on the top. Basically what I've done is I harden the sides of any of my jigs, especially if it's a drilling jig, with super glue, really super thin super glue, and use that to kind of harden the wood so that it doesn't continue to route more of it out as you're running a drill in and out of it. So anyhow, this is a line here. I want to put it in the vise, and we're going to go ahead and drill these holes. One of the things I've done on my drill is to add a little spacer so that I don't drill too far. I want these to go exactly a certain amount, no more, no less. So line this up on the center. In the vise here, it's down nice and tight. Here's that little spacer I'm talking about, just a little piece of plywood. Again, this one's been hardened. And I'm going to go in for the kill here. So there's one side, off to the other side. I find that jigs and fixtures help make everything more accurate, so I use them whenever I possibly can. And there you have it. We should check and see how we did. Man, these things are gorgeous. Look at that. Fits like a glove. Very nice. So that will be the tuners on this. Now on to routing out the slots that allow the strings to clear. Thanks for joining us.